have fun while you're doing it. I think that's the main intention here. I was really honored to be part of last year's edition, and really glad to be part of this year's as well. And yeah, looking forward to both the shows and also the song that I get to create through this platform.
Badshah ji, last year you were part of Royal Stag Boombox as well. How does the young generation react to contemporary genres, just like hip hop? And how do you, sort of respond to that reaction? How does it impact your music? If you could tell us about it.
I'm still young.
That you are.
I think जो hip hop है वो हमेशा young generation का ही genre रहेगा, and it's grown bigger. It's getting better and better every day. When I say better, I mean wider and wider every day. And Royal Stag Boombox एक वो property है जहाँ पर जो typical हमारा फिल्मी music है वो इस genre के साथ connect होता है, fuse होता है, sonically नहीं, stage पर भी, जो कि बहुत ही अच्छी बात है, because जो नए artist हैं वो उसी stage पर perform कर रहे हैं. Every artist एक ही stage पर perform कर रहा है, उससे better कुछ नहीं है. And also कई बार नए आर्टिस्ट होते हैं, उनको इतना इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नहीं मिलता, इतने रिसोर्सेज नहीं मिलते, ऑडियंस नहीं मिलता. So I'm really happy कि रॉयल स्टैग बूमबॉक्स वो ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पर ये हो रहा है. So and I'm glad कि मुझे दूसरे एडिशन में भी इन्होंने लिया है. मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ.
ज़रूर आपके परफॉर्मेंसेस इतने दमदार थे पिछली बार. We're looking forward to the next lot this year. Can't wait myself. Big fan. Neeti, you were part of. सुन जा लेना तेरी झुट्टी हूँ मैं, तेरे पे चढ़ा ले तेरी उड्डी हूँ. See, I didn't prepare it, but clearly we all it was a fun song. We all did the hook step. I remember. I'm still in that avatar only. आज की totally doll type के avatar में आई हूँ, but extending from. Oh, you didn't ask me a question. I didn't ask you a question. I was ready with my answer.
She had the answer before the question.
Totally. Next time she is going to run the piece.
I think आप अपने आप को थोड़ा सा फिलोसफिकल है, लेकिन आप अपने आप को इस स्टेज में ले आओ कि आप बिना किसी प्रेशर के आप वो करो जो आपका मन है. I think that's what living it large. मतलब कि सही मायनों में कर्म किए जब फल की इच्छा मत करें. living it large. I think that's what it is.
What's the pause? Neeti ji. मुझे भी जाने. हाँ, सबको.
कैसे मिले हैं ना?
5 minutes. यही करूँगी मैं. This is live it large. Live it large. इस टाइम भी मुझे live it large ही feel हो रहा है, because if I'm sitting in front of all of you and sitting with such amazing artists, this is live it large. And if I'm doing music, is live it large for me. Yeah. Right? And I think all the more after becoming a mother, if you can follow your heart and your passion, and I feel like if women can do that for themselves, that is live it large. Ikka, what's your take on live it large?
मेरे लिए तो ये है कि उसको ना आपको एंजॉय करना चाहिए, उसको जीना चाहिए, और एक छोटे पल को जीना चाहिए. तो मेरे लिए इस लाइन का मतलब यही है कि हर पल को जीना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि ये जो लाइफ हमें गिफ्ट में मिली है ये बहुत अनमोल है, और सही तरीके से इस्तेमाल करें इसका, और बस खुश रहें.
अली, आपकी बारी.
यार मेरे लिए लिविंग इट लार्ज का मतलब ये है कि आप जिंदगी में वो करो जिससे आपकी रूह को सेटिस्फैक्शन मिलती है. Because I just became a father to 13 stray cats and 2 stray dogs. And trust me, it is so soul satisfaction. Because पैसे तो कमा लेंगे यार, लेकिन ये जो चीजें हैं ना, इससे सच में यार इतनी खुशी मिलती है. And if you start living it large, things that satisfy your soul, trust me, life is so beautiful.
जी, Your
I literally had this line in my head every morning: work hard, play hard, go back to my cats. I'm just like always looking forward to do that. I would like to continue the answer Ikka gave, that for anything to become large, you need to start small. So all the small blessings of life together add up to become something. There's nothing bigger than that. And I totally agree with Neeti ji as well that ये stage मिलना hip hop को, you know, इतना acceptance मिलना मेरे country में, वो I think every day I'm living at large now.
Nikita.
I feel like I'm in a pageant.
Like world peace. My answer is world peace. I mean I feel like कुछ answers बचे नहीं हैं बोलने के लिए, क्योंकि सबका कहना यही है कि live in the moment is living at large, you know. And I, for one, am somebody who is not specifically goal oriented. I'm more like journey oriented, and I think that's what this means for me as well. That, you know, jo bhi, you know, live in the now and then just give your 100% to every existing moment, and then you'll reach where you have to. Absolutely. Armaan, your take, your final take. Full pressure. I also agree about the pets and the food.
I definitely agree with everyone, whatever they have said. But I think just living life authentically is living life large. I feel like that is what I truly believe in. आपको खुद से गद्दारी नहीं करनी चाहिए. You should be really true to yourself. What makes you happy? It could be the smallest things in life, but that gives you large happiness. And I think that is what living at large means for me.
Absolutely. Great answer. Thank you, everyone. Okay, thank you so much.
Not only bridges the gap between the Bollywood music and the new age hip hop rap music, but also it gives a physical platform wherein artists from both the genres can come on one stage and perform for the audience. So बहुत लोग कहते हैं, I think Royal Stack Boombox ने किया है, and hence my association with this continues. नहीं तो नहीं करते हम.
Armaan, same question to you, and if you could mention the cities in which you're performing Badshah Youth Room.
Oh, मैं भुवनेश्वर इस बार दोबारा कर रहा हूँ, and I am going to Jaipur after a very long time. So thank you. पिछली बार जयपुर किया था नहीं?
नहीं, पिछली बार जयपुर हुआ ही नहीं था.
Yeah. So yeah, really excited.
Great, wonderful. Armaan?
Royal Stack Boombox, as Badshah also said, stands for really good musicality, firstly. All of us here have come together to cook up some really cool tunes and beats that can connect with not only our audience, but you know, the youth at large. Not plugging in large just for the sake of it. But बहुत खुशी होती है जब, you know, आपको musically freedom मिलता है to do something हटके, because, you know, we always do our kind of music, but when there's another person, another artist in the room, तो you know, गाना थोड़ा अलग बनता है. आपके तरीके का नहीं बनता है, ना ही उनके तरीके का बनता है. कुछ दोनों का एक कुछ मिश्रण होता है, which sometimes is beautiful, sometimes you don't expect it. I think most important is the energy in the room, and I think the energy on this stage is beautiful. So I think there'll be really amazing tunes coming out from all of us. And regarding the shows, I'm really excited to perform in Indore and Pune. These two cities have been really close to my heart. A lot of fans there as well, so can't wait to be there and perform for them and perform the song that we make as well as part of this project. And overall, really happy to be part of this project. Thank you so much.
Great. Neeti ji, I'd like to ask you, tell us about music. Royal Stack Boombox is a new sound, because we have heard hip hop separately, we have heard Bollywood music separately, pop music separately, but this is an absolutely new sound, new energy, and a brand new collaboration between artists जिनको हमने कभी साथ में collaborate करते हुए नहीं देखा और हम imagine भी नहीं कर सकते. Like I would have never imagined कि मैं EPR जिनके साथ मैंने पिछले सीजन में collaborate किया था. So जब दो ऐसे artists साथ में आते हैं जिनकी एक अपनी personal sound रही है, professional तरीके से जो भी वो कर रहे हैं, और वो जब साथ में आएंगे, so वो
दोनों अपना बेस्ट जब देते हैं सो एक नई साउंड बन रही है. दैट्स व्हाट बूमबॉक्स इज ऑल अबाउट. The songs are very edgy. They are talking about whatever is youth experiencing right now of our country. और हमारे youth को हमेशा कुछ नया sound चाहिए. They are, they want to express themselves through music. So this collaboration means a lot to us because we get to express ourselves the way we want to. And melody and hip hop beats and rap and something that is meaningful and yet creating value is what Boombox is all about. So that's what, as a passion pillar of music, is what it means to me, and that is why I'm very, very happy and excited to be part of Royal Stag Boombox.
Great. I'm going to pose a question to Ikka and to
Royal Stag Boombox is offering a very fresh and unique concept to people where they are bringing forth the melody of Bollywood and the rhythm and poetry of hip hop. So, like I mentioned, hip hop has the ability to just merge into anything. So, it is definitely a big step towards pushing the wave of hip hop forward in India and pushing hip hop artists in India. So, getting to collaborate with artists who come from their own field of expertise when it comes to melodies, it's going to make our job easier to merge with them through our words, So I think they're going to bring the melodies, they're going to bring the words, and it's going to be amazing. The songs that come out of it are going to be beautiful. And at the end of the day, we create music in the studio to be able to translate that emotion onto stage. So I'm really looking forward to do that in front of all the beautiful people of Pune where I'm going to be performing this year.
For me, मतलब जो Royal Stag Boombox है, सिर्फ एक प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है. It's like a festival. और एक आर्टिस्ट को क्या चाहिए? स्टूडियो, स्टेज, वो हमको मिल रहा है. और मैं तो शुरू से ही बहुत खुश होता जब भी मैं कोलैबोरेट करता हूँ किसी के साथ. इंसान को जानने का मौका मिलता है, उसके म्यूज़िक को जानने का मौका मिलता है. और जब आप किसी नए आर्टिस्ट के साथ बैठते हैं ना, आपको सीखने को बहुत कुछ मिलता है कि यार मैं ऐसे भी कर सकता हूँ, ये चीज़ भी कर सकता हूँ, वो चीज़. तो वो बहुत ब्यूटी है इस चीज़ की. और शुक्रिया कि ये प्लेटफॉर्म दिया रॉयल स्टाग बूमबॉक्स ने. और मैं बस चाहता हूँ कि मैं खड़ा उतरूँ और आपको अच्छा गाना डिलीवर करूँ.
बढ़िया. और
You give. And if you're doing what you love, which is, I think, the point of Royal Stag Boombox, that you do what you love, you experiment with it, you grow with it, you create and you execute. I mean, I love the fact that we're getting to do both. We're getting to create, we're also getting to take it to the stage. And that's what, I think, if you're doing something you love, you're gonna, probably, you can see it when the person is performing and you can feel it from the audience and back and forth.
I feel कि जब भी हम स्टेज पे होते हैं तब पता नहीं क्या हो जाता है हमें. और फिर मन करता है कि यार जितने भी लोग आगे हैं ना, वो हर इंसान नाचे, हर इंसान खुश रहे. बिकॉज वही हमारा मोटिव होता है और उससे ज़्यादा कुछ समझ में नहीं आता, कुछ समझना भी नहीं है. क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली हम सब इतने ऑनेस्ट है हमारे काम की तरफ. तो जब भी आप कोई भी चीज़ जिंदगी में ऑनेस्ट नहीं करो ना, तो फिर वो दिख कर आता है और वो मज़ेदार ही हो जाता है. और मेरा ये भी कहना चाहता हूँ कि दुनिया की सबसे खूबसूरत चीज़ है अच्छी पिक्चर बनाना, है ना. और दुनिया का सबसे मुश्किल काम है एक अच्छा गाना बनाना. और जब आपके पास इतने बेहतरीन आर्टिस्ट है जिन्होंने इतने माइंड ब्लोइंग नेक्स्ट लेवल गाने बनाए हैं, एंड आई एम श्योर दैट यू गाइज हैव प्रोबब्ली हर्ड इट एंड डांस ओवर इट. लेकिन एक फेस्टिवल में सब एक साथ आना, वो एनर्जी स्टार्टिंग में इतनी अमेजिंग है, तो जब वो ऑन ग्राउंड पहुंचेगी तब तक तो मतलब पता नहीं क्या तबाही होने वाली है. So yeah, I think it's all about living it large, and everybody will be living it large at Royal Stag Boombox on the festival days.
Great. One last request to you all.
एक और.
ठीक है. I'll give the count again. 1, 2, 3.
Royal Stag Boombox, live it large.